Life is unpredictable, and having an emergency fund can be your financial safety net. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Calculate your goal. Figure out how much you need. A good rule of thumb is 3 to 6 months worth of essential expenses, including rent, groceries, and utilities. Step 2. Open a dedicated account. Keep your emergency fund separate from your daily spending. Consider a high-yield savings account for easy access and better interest rates. Step 3. Assess your budget. Review your income and expenses. Identify areas where you can cut back, like dining out or subscription services. Even small adjustments can free up money for savings. Step 4. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your emergency fund every payday. Start with an amount you're comfortable with $50, $100, or even $10. Consistency is key. Step 5. Save windfalls. Got a tax refund, bonus, or gift? Put it directly into your emergency fund. This accelerates your progress without affecting your monthly budget. Step 6. Prioritize until you hit your goal. Make building your emergency fund a priority over non-essential expenses or investments. Once you reach your target, you can refocus on other financial goals. Step 7. Protect and grow your fund. Avoid dipping into your emergency savings for non-emergencies. Treat it as untouchable unless it's truly urgent. Building an emergency fund takes discipline, but the peace of mind it brings is priceless. Start small, stay consistent, and give yourself the financial stability to face life's uncertainties with confidence.